Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to clone a hard drive or SSD drive using a software. So if you need to clone your hard drive just in case your data gets lost, or if you want to upgrade the normal hard drive to SSD drive, you can try this method. So for this you need a SSD enclosure. So this is a SSD enclosure I've got from eBay. If you just type in SSD hard drive or enclosure, you'll find one. You can buy one of these. And now I've got a SSD drive, brand new SSD drive, so I'm going to copy all of my data to this SSD. And you can use the USB drive from your computer. So plug it in. First boot up to your computer first and then plug this USB in, and I'm going to show you the method. So once you plug in the SSD drive on your USB port, now I'm going to type in AOMI tech.com. There you go. So this is their official website. So go to backup, AOMI backup. Go on to for home, download freeware. Just waiting for it to be downloaded. So once the download process is complete, just click on it. Click yes, just normal procedure to install any software. So skip, install now. Once the installation is complete, just click enjoy now. Click on clone, disk clone, and then source disk. So I'm going to select my source disk, then click next. Then destination disk is 256 SSD. Click next. Start clone. This remains unchanged by default. It's okay. Started copying. So speed of the copy depends on your disk size and your internet speed as well. So once the cloning process is complete, just close it and finish. Close the app. Now restart your computer and then keep on pressing F12. So boot from USB storage device is still connected. We can see it's booting from the USB drive now, and Windows is loading.